In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account in 2025 from your PC, laptop, or mobile phone, and I'll also answer some common questions. Let's start right away from your PC or laptop. Open your browser. If you use Google Chrome, you'll see this window. Click on Add. Click on Sign In. Click on Create Account. If you're using a different browser like Opera, for example, and you're already logged in with many other Google accounts, click on your icon in the top right corner. Click on Show More Accounts. Click on Add Another Account. Click on Use Another Account. Then click on Create Account. If you're not logged in, you can go to google.com and click on Gmail and Create Account. If you just need a free Gmail account, choose For My Personal Use. Enter your first name and, if you want, your last name too. Enter your birthday and gender. Sometimes you might get a Google suggestion based on your name and surname that is surely available, but you can always click on Create Your Own Gmail address and enter the address you want. And if it's available, click Next. You can't use special characters apart from the period, and if your username is already taken, you have to try again. Next, you have to create a strong password. If it's too weak, like password, Google will warn you and stop you from going next. You should mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and ideally symbols too, like exclamation points or question marks. Next, you have to enter a phone number that you have at hand right now, because they'll send you a 6-digit code to enter in 30 seconds. Then you can enter a recovery email in case you forget your password or skip it for now. Review the information you've entered and click on Next. Choose in one step for simplicity. Here, you can decide how Google handles your data, but let's keep it simple. We'll just reject everything for now. After totally reading every single word of the terms, like the responsible citizen we all are, go ahead and click Confirm. And for the privacy information, click on I agree. You can start setting smart features for your Google Gmail account and reload the page, and you're done. That's it for PC and laptop. How to create a new Gmail account in mobile. I use Android, so the Gmail app is installed by default. On iPhone, you need to download it from the App Store. Open the Gmail app, tap on the icon in the top right corner, tap on Add Another Account. Choose Google. Verify yourself with whatever ID verification system you have. Tap on Create Account, and you have the same process. Now let's move on to some common questions. Can I create a Gmail account without phone number verification? Google often requires phone verification, but in some cases, users have reported that they were able to sign up without a phone number by using incognito mode, signing up from a different device, or providing an alternative email. However, Google's policies change over time, so always follow their official guidelines. Why doesn't the option to skip adding a phone number appear to me? This can happen if you're creating multiple accounts using a VPN or signing up from an unusual location. Can I use the same phone number to create multiple Gmail accounts? Yes, you can use the same phone number to register up to 4 Gmail accounts. But as the recovery number in case you lost your password, you can use the same one for more than 4 Gmail accounts. Is a Gmail account the same as having a Google account? Yes, a Gmail account is a type of Google account. When you create a Gmail account, you are effectively creating a Google account, which gives you access to all Google services, including Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and more. And that's how you can create a new Gmail account on both PC and mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.